Namaste people, I am Anmol Sarkar. So if you guys have seen my last video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I'm trying to do and what this channel is all about. And if you have not seen that video for Facebook, I'll share the link in the comment section, and for YouTube in the description below. Please go and watch that video. And without wasting any further time, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can come up with more such videos for you guys. So let's get straight down to today's topic. So if you have seen that in last video I was covering about how in 2007 Dravidian Christianity becomes an international movement and how it garners further political support, how conferences are held. In 2008 we shall go into further details in today's video. So in 2008 the first international conference on religion of Tamils was held. Okay, so this conference was held by the same guy M. Deviyanagam, World Spiritual Awareness Movement, who in partnership with the Catholic Diocese of Chennai, these two institutions conducted this conference in Chennai. While the title implied all Tamil religions, in fact, there was not a single Hindu among the coordinators. Okay, the coordinators included Archbishop Malayappan Chinnappa, Auxiliary Bishop Lawrence Pius Doriraj, D. Deviyanagam, and his daughter. Means this conference was to propagate Hinduism. As they claimed it, but none of the coordinators or the whoever attended this conference were Hindu. Okay, so this conference started with an introduction which claimed that Lemurian theory of human origin. If you have seen my earlier videos, you guys must know that what Lemuria is, what Lemurian theory is, or Kumari Kand. All that you must have an idea about by now if you have seen my previous videos. So this quotes that the introduction speech: Lemurian theory of human origin, Tamils establishing Sumerian civilization, Tamil as the universal language before the Babel event, memorial stone worship in Indus civilization, and worship of stone in Bethel as described in the Bible. Shiva's dance in relation with resurrected Jesus, the living stone, enslaving the Tamil language, culture, and religion. Brahmins as aliens, Aryans, as you know. Sanskrit evolved only after the 2nd century AD. And the reason why Sanskrit authors like Ved Vyasa, Kalidas, Valmiki, and Dravidians were Dravidians, and the reason why Ashoka's ethics do not have any Sanskrit who created Sanskrit, these kind of theories they were trying to establish. Okay, so this conference began with an inaugural address of the Cardinal Vithanil, okay, president of the Catholic bishop. So in this what we say conference, the Lemurian origins or the theory of Lemuria or Kumari Kandam was again resurrected. So this states a very few things which I will quote now. So one of the quotes which Deviyanagam provided in this conference is, it's a quite a long quote, please hear it. Sanskrit had no existence prior to 2nd century AD. There is no epigraphic or numeristic evidence of Sanskrit. The first Sanskrit inscription is dated as 150 AD. By the Tamil inscriptions are dated to 3rd century BC. Absolutely nonsense. Although Tamil what we say language has been dated to 3rd century BC, and now in the recent reports it is dated to 6th century BC, but Sanskrit was also prevalent during Ramayana and Mahabharata. The Lord Rama or whatever the northern side of India spoke was not Tamil, it was Sanskrit definitely. So let's not get into that first. So it further quotes that Indus Valley civilization has proved to be the civilization of Tamils. Before Indus Valley civilization, Tamil antiquity is spoken of by Kumari Kandam, which was destroyed by deluge. Old Testament, which gives on account of the origin of man, is written in Hebrew. Victor has written a book that derives Hebrew from Tamil. MKG Maulana has stated that the Setu bridge, Setu means the Ram Setu which he is talking about. Ram Setu bridge in Rameshwaram is named after the third son of the world's first man, Adam, whose name is Seth. The verses of the Bible, Genesis 11.1 and 2, explains the world's first language was Tamil, and their verses like Sumerian civilization was Indus Valley civilization. In Chennai, the Tamil Nadu government tourism exhibition at stall number 31A, these developments of Tamil religions are explained, and we represent Tamil people to visit at the stall. Tamil and Tamil religion today are enslaved. To know how and who will liberate Tamil religion, visit our stall. Okay, so these are this liberation technology and all this God will liberate you, you are sinners, this kind of technology or theology was propagated in this conference. Okay, so this was it for today, guys. Please enjoy this video.